methods. String implement all of the common sequence operations along with the additional methods described below. Strings also support two styles of string formatting, one providing a large degree of flexibility and customization. See str.format, format string syntax, and custom string formatting, and the other based on C printf style formatting that handles a narrower range of types and is slightly harder to use correctly, but is often faster for the cases it can handle. Printf style formatting. The text processing services section of the standard library covers a number of other modules that provide various text related utilities, including regular expression support in the RE module. String dot capitalize. Let's see by example. For example, this is my string 1 is equal to Namaste world. Okay, let me print it. String 1. Okay, it will print Namaste world. Okay, capitalize. Return a copy of the string with its first character capitalized and the rest lowercase. Changed in version 3.8. The first character is now put into title case rather than uppercase. This means that characters like digraphs will only have their first letter capitalized instead of the full character. For example, if we use string s s2 is equal to string 1 dot capitalize, and if we print s2, it will print Namaste world. Here we can see first letter capitalize. If we, let me show you, and small, and here first letter capitalize and rest all small. Okay, now string dot case fold. Return a case folded copy of the string. Case folded strings may be used for caseless matching. Case folding is similar to lower casing but more aggressive because it is intended to remove all case distinctions in a string. For example, the German lowercase letters b is equivalent to SS since it is already lowercase. Lower would do nothing to b. Case fold converts it to SS. The case folding algorithm is described in section 3.13 default case folding of the Unicode. Let's see case fold. As string 1 dot case fold. Let's see. All small. str.center width colon comma fill character this. Return centered in a string of length width. Padding is done using the specified fill character. Default is an ASCII space. The original string is returned if width is less than or equal to length s. Okay, let's see. Center width 2. So original string should return, right? And now if I say 20, it's return with fill spaces, and then if I provide fill character, so it will be padded string 2 and 3 centered, right? String dot count sub count sub comma start comma end. Return the number of non-overlapping occurrences of substring sub in the range start and. Optional arguments start and end are interpreted as in slice notation. If sub is empty, returns the number of empty strings between characters, which is the length of the string plus 1. Mhm. Let's do sub count string 1 dot count x. Let's see what it does. Print 1 count 1 string 1 1 and then start and end. Start is 0 and is 1, so NA. How the number of non-operationally overlapping of string sub in the range start and. Okay, so here if I say NA. Mhm. 1 count 1. If I say namaste, length of string 1, so 2. If I say NA NA, it should give 4. Yeah, so this substring is how many times present occurred in the string 1, that is the count is returning. So if I say MA, it should return 2 4. Oh, here I should say MA, it should return 3. Okay, that's how it is. Now string dot encode. Encoding is equal to UTF-8, errors is equal to strict. Return the string encoded to bytes. Encoding defaults to UTF-8. See standards encoding for possible values. Errors control how encoding errors are handled. If strict, the default, a Unicode error exception is raised. Other possible values are ignore, replace, XML, char reference, char ref replace, backslash replace, or any other name registered via codex.register error. See error handler for details. For performance reasons, the value of errors is not checked for validity unless an encoding error actually occurs. Python development mode is enabled or a debug build is used. Changed in version 3.1. Added support for keyword arguments. Changed in version 3.9. The value of the errors argument is now checked in Python development mode and debug mode. Encode. Let's do dot encode. String dot encode. Hmm. Let's see string 1 dot encode. Yeah, so this is encoded string byte to byte. This is byte. Okay. Ends with. Str ends with suffix start end. Returns true if the string ends with the specified suffix, otherwise return false. Suffix can also be a tuple of suffixes to look for. With optional start, test beginning at the position. With optional end, stop comparing at the position. For example, string ends with string 1 ends with ma, this should return true, right? Man, this should return false. ma start, let's provide start 0, 0 1 2 3 comma 4, run true, 3 comma false, 4 comma true. Yeah, so this was the example of ends with. Upcoming examples I will create in another video in sequence. Thank you.